What's up, everyone? Welcome to Invest and Elevate. If you're new here, this channel is focused on individual stock speculation, high conviction plays, and ideas with massive upside potential. I don't run a conservative portfolio, I don't balance for volatility, and I don't pretend risk doesn't exist. My risk profile is unlimited, and I own that. Let me be clear up front. If you're looking for retirement planning, if you want slow, steady, diversified returns, or if drawdowns scare you, this channel is definitely not for you. But if you believe that one great idea can outperform 10 average ones, if you understand that real wealth often comes from concentration, not diversification, and if you're willing to accept volatility in exchange for exponential upside, you're exactly where you need to be. Diversification protects wealth. Concentration builds it. I'm not here to guarantee returns. I'm not a professional. You should not follow me. You should not take my advice. My risk profile is unlimited, meaning I'm willing to lose every single dollar. I'm here to find mispriced opportunities, market overreactions, and companies with asymmetric risk to reward profiles. Some ideas will fail. Some will go nowhere, but it only takes a few winners to change everything. What content viewers will get from this channel, or rather on this channel, you'll see individual stock breakdowns, high risk, high reward, speculative plays, market psychology, and sentiment shifts that we will play off of. Why I'm buying before the crowd or selling when they're becoming euphoric. No hype, no sponsored opinions. It's just my own raw conviction and transparent thinking. You will also see accountability and honesty from me. I'll tell you when I'm wrong. I'll show you my thesis when I go into the trade, not just the ticker. And I'll explain why I'm willing to risk capital when others won't. If that excites you, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and ride the volatility with me. This is Invest and Elevate. All right, let's get into the beginning here. Week number 1, January 6, 2026. Here's how we started. We went ahead and picked up a few options contracts. So we bought calls on SPY. Though one of them expires January 20th, 2026. It's a $700 call. We only bought one because, remember, we're just getting started here. And another one expires January 9th for a $700 call for 2 buys. We're currently down $6 in that option. It's not looking real good for that one, but this one's a pure speculation play, meaning when we went into this, we were willing to accept the risk that it was an unlikely scenario that it could hit. But in the unlikely event that it does, it could be rewarding. So the other one, we think that we're going to come close. So depending how the market does the rest of the week, this week, there is a scenario where we'll sell this on Friday, potentially, if it hits a certain price point, but we may hold it through to the expiration date as well. But what will we do with those profits? We'll take those profits and we'll buy other stocks, or we'll invest heavily in stocks that we really, really like. A stock right now we really like is Tesla. We nicknamed the account Tesla Wealth because at the end of the day, that is what we're going to try to achieve with this account. Is we're going to try to build a Tesla Wealth portfolio. We are going to buy other stocks as well, options, all kinds of stuff, guys. I think you'll really enjoy the content as we go along here, and I'll invest money every single week to grow the account and try to get some excitement going for the group. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can comment below, but just remember my disclaimer. Do not copy me. This is like the ultimate highest risk possible. And you could lose every single dollar because I'm not an expert. But it could be fun to record what I'm doing and share it with other people so they can see what unlimited risk looks like. Now, right now, it doesn't look like unlimited risk. It's low risk because it's a low amount of money. But once we get into those higher numbers, you guys are going to start to understand. So right now, 1 share of Tesla, we are currently up $2.88 on that actual stock. Total portfolio value is $691.19. Disregard the today where it went up 20%, $114. That was from a previous trade that we did not record. And when I decided, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and just record the growth of this portfolio, because I've been doing this for 14 years and I've grown several portfolios. I still have others that I could share with you guys later if you want to see them. But for now, let's focus on this one and enjoy the show. And I hope to see you guys in our next video.